Are you tired of paying crazy roaming charges when you travel abroad? Let's talk about Airalo Esim, the ultimate travel hack for 2025. Airalo is a digital SIM card, or eSIM, that lets you connect to mobile networks in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Instead of swapping tiny chips, you just download a data plan straight to your phone using the Airalo app. It's super easy. Open the app, pick your destination, buy a plan, and install it with one tap. When you land, your phone automatically connects to a local carrier. No hunting for SIM cards or waiting in airports line. The best part, plans start as low as a few dollars, and you can top up anytime directly from your phone. It works with most modern devices like iPhones, Google Pixels, and Samsung Galaxy models that support eSIM. So if you're traveling in 2025, skip the roaming fees, download iRello, activate your eSIM, and stay connected anywhere in the world instantly. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.